Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a Thor hammer. The things we need are a stick, scissors, paper, cardboard, paint, paintbrush, marker, glue, tape, thermocol and a cuboid shaped box. First take the marker and mark lines on the center of the box. Now cut them. Now take the cardboard piece, mark the parts and cut them. Now take one half of the cardboard box and the newspapers. Now crumble the newspapers and insert them inside the box. Now take the square piece and stick it on the top of the box. Now take the two thermocol pieces and stick them on the sides. Now take the circle piece and stick it on the top of the box. Make a hole in the center of the box and insert the stick. Now we will paint it. Now our hammer is ready. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting instant notifications. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.